what did I see? It was a bright yellow bird flying at me. Get out of the way, yelled my friend Ted. But it was too late. I had bird poop on my head. Ah, yikes. This little poem is by a lady named Lindsay Custer. Pretty nice, huh? Make sure you watch when you're walking. You might have to look up occasionally when you're under a tree. Be careful. Don't forget to sign your name when you're doing a painting. I also want to tell you that this is one of my splat drawings. I take a cotton ball and I dip it in some watercolor paint, and then I lay it on the paper and I smash it and the paint goes everywhere. And then I let it dry and then I draw something out of it. And just now I knocked over Bob Ross. I seem to be doing that a lot lately. He just can't stand up. I'll see you guys soon. Bye now.